Hi guys, if you want to change album cover on your Samsung gallery, then let's see how to do it. So for that, go back. Now simply open your gallery. Now here, go to the album section. Now let's say you want to change the album cover of your camera album. So for that, simply long tap on it and tap on this three dot icon here. From here, you will be able to see option called change cover image. Simply tap on it. Now from here, you can select any image you want to set as your album cover. So let's say I want to select this image. So I will simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, now from here, you can easily crop or enlarge or adjust your album cover from here. Let's say I want to keep it this short. So I'll simply keep it like that and simply tap on apply. Now you can see the camera album cover has been changed. Let's see one more time. Let's say I want to change the album cover of this download album here. Simply long tap on it and then tap on this three dot icon here and then tap on change cover image. Now from here, I can select any image I want. So let's say I want to select this image. I will simply tap on it and let's say I want to crop it and keep it like that and then simply tap on apply and you can see the album cover image has been changed. Let's see one more time. Let's say I want to change the album cover of this album here. Simply long tap on it, tap on this three dot icon and then tap on change cover image. Now from here, I can select any image I want. Let's say I want to select this image. I will simply tap on it and then I will crop it according to my requirement and then tap on apply. Now you can see the album cover has been changed. And in case if you want to remove the album cover image you just set, then for that simply long tap on it, tap on this three dot icon and now here tap on change cover image and then you will be able to see these two options. If you just want to change the image, simply tap here and you can select different image. But if you want to remove the album cover image and let the Samsung choose most recent image, then simply tap on it and Samsung will automatically select the recent image. For example, open this and you can see this is the recent image. So Samsung is automatically choosing it as your album cover. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily change album cover on your Samsung gallery. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.